Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sign up for MyFitnessPal. In order to sign up and create a new account for MyFitnessPal, first of all, go ahead and download the MyFitnessPal app on your mobile device, and once downloaded, launch the app open. After you get to this interface, go ahead and tap on the sign up for free button in the bottom of the screen. You can sign up for MyFitnessPal with Google account, Apple account, or with your email. I'm gonna use the email option, so let me tap continue. On the next page, go ahead and type down your first name you'd like to go with and click next. On the next page, start with your goal. Choose the goals that you want to obtain by tapping on the boxes and click on next. Follow through the prompts and make sure to answer all of the questions. Here you will be able to enter your personal information, set your fitness goal, enter your height, weight, and activity level, select your gender, enter your age, choose your country, and so on. Now, after you are done answering all the questions, you will be prompted to enter an email address and create a password for your account. Go ahead and type down a valid email address you have access to and create a strong password. Finally, click on the I agree button and click next. After you are done creating an account, you'll end up in the home page for MyFitnessPal. After you are done with the sign-up process, you can now start logging in meals, tracking exercises, and setting fitness goals. You can also connect MyFitnessPal with other fitness apps, which can be easily found in your App Store or your Google Play Store to sync data and get a better overview of your progress. So that is how you can easily sign up for MyFitnessPal. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.